If buying land in Bali with company vs personal name keeps failing, you're doing this wrong, and here's the 4-minute fix. Here's the problem. Most start with the tool, not the outcome. Win 1. Write your outcome in one sentence in under 60 seconds. Win 2. Pick the smallest version of buying land in Bali with company vs personal name you can ship in 7 days. Why does this matter now? A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. Within 48 hours your bookings drop 30%. Buying land in Bali with company vs personal name done right closes that gap in days, not months. Most people fail here. They jump straight to tactics without defining the outcome. Do not do this. 82% of buying land in Bali with company vs personal name attempts die in week 1 for this exact reason. Step 2. Timebox the first cycle to 7 days. 82% of buying land in Bali with company vs personal name attempts that ship in week 1 keep going. Step 3. Set one number to track. This is important. Most people pick 4 KPIs and lose focus by day 3. One number costs $0 and saves 4 weeks. Here's the problem. Before this method, months of guessing, no traction. After, a working buying land in Bali with company vs personal name flow in 7 days. Once steps 1 to 3 are working, here is the move that separates pros from amateurs. Layer buying land in Bali with company vs personal name into a weekly review. Every Monday, look at the one number. Ask one question: did it move? If yes, double down. If no, change one variable, not 5. The viewer who masters this beats 90% of competitors. Use this exact phrase when you start. By Friday I will know if buying land in Bali with company vs personal name moved my one number. Outcome first, tool last. Ship the smallest version in 7 days. Track one number weekly. Book free consultation, visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.